So, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And this video is basically a audience demand video. Since we know that there is a Amadeus hiring procedure going on, so we have Ravi today. So previously he has shared Amadeus interview experience. If you not yet seen that video, link will be given in the description. But today we'll mainly focusing on what are the preparation, what are the topics, and what is the suitable platform to prepare for the technical perspective or aptitude perspective, and what else, Ravi? You can add point from your end also.
Yeah, we can go through interviews, how we prepare for interview, and as you mentioned, like platforms also we can suggest them.
So if tomorrow is your exam, or one day before exam, how we need to prepare everything, material perspective, website perspective, and some suggestion from Ravi, and everything we'll be discussing in this video. And before that, if you're not a subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and subscribe. And let's start, Ravi. So Ravi, since it's been 1 year at Amadeus, so during your initial days, during your interview, so how was your preparation? What are the platforms? What are the website you choose for the preparation, Ravi? Over to you.
Yeah, Akshay, in my preparation, I have gone through many websites like India Bigs, like Interview Bit, and Scalar also. And mainly I have focused on this Prep Insta, which is a platform where there is so much data, and there is so many courses also based on they only separated like DSA and SQLs, and company wisely they only separated, and they have been the courses, and it would be very helpful for preparation purpose.
So one thing, guys, I would like to mention, this is not a promotion video, it's an educational video. So we are speaking educational perspective. And Ravi, you mentioned Pipinsta was the platform which you use for preparation. So I guess it is paid one, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. One
So,
time pay for 1 year.
okay, so vice versa. If you want to suggest some free website, what will be your input, Ravi?
Yeah, for free websites, there is no everything in one website for free websites. Okay.
Agree with that.
Okay, for verbal and aptitude, there will be some India Bigs,
India
like
Bits.
interview bit. These websites will be enough for verbal and aptitude purpose, and also be practicing with. There will be some books, quantitative aptitude also. We can opt that also, and can buy them, and we can practice the aptitude thing. And then coming to coding, I have practiced in Hacker Rank and Hacker Earth, also some part of Hacker Earth. And in Hacker Rank, there will be some separate for Python or else Java, and there will be separating topic wise, like for DSA, there will be have some questions, and in strings or else in some particular topics, and we need to practice everything in one language. We need to focus on one language, and we need to get everything on that language.
All right. So what else we can add, Ravi? So coming to, there will be a question, what you know about the company. So how we can do our research on this, Ravi? Any talk on that?
Yeah, coming to that question, this question will be asked by HR in interviews. Okay. For that question, we need to do in some groundwork about the company in company website, or else in LinkedIn. There will be some ongoing projects, and they share their ongoing technologies they're working on, and everything. We need to focus on that, and we need to know who are their customers, and what they are doing from the LinkedIn. That would be enough for HR.
All right. So for Apti, I guess my personal favorite, India Bix, we can go with that. And for technical perspective, we can, if you are willing to pay paid one, go with Prep Insta, and or else Hacker Rank, Hacker Earth is also fine. And coming to the company inputs, so go with the LinkedIn as well as its official website. So, Ravi, let's assume that there is a scenario. Okay, so tomorrow is my Amadeus interview experience, and in within 1 day or 2 day, I need to prepare. So, how an individual he or she can prepare, Ravi? So, what is your view on that? Just keep yeah, just keep yourselves in that situation and share your input. Yep.
Yeah, I have been this situation in interview.
Yeah.
Okay. For exam perspective, there are so many questions. Like there will be asking questions from different topics. Okay.
Mhm.
We need to know in every topics. We need to know some basic knowledge on that. We need to know that basic knowledge. Then from SQL, first we need to know what are the topics and what they are asking in the questions, and what is their pattern and all. We need to work on that, and we need to see if they are asking some SDL questions. We need to go through some basic knowledge on that. We can have it on YouTube also for free. SDLC or else SQL also. SQL also we need to have basic knowledge on SQL, and they will be asking different languages, basic questions only. Okay. In first round exam, like Ruby, Python, Java, these languages they will be asking questions, and also they will be asking in coding from for coding perspective. There will be 3 questions. One for easy, one for medium, and one for hard. This medium hard, these questions are based on the DSA. You need to mainly focus on DSA. Because this company focuses on DSA. Okay. This DSA, by learning this DSA also, it helps to crack interview also. We can learn the DSA, and these 2 questions will be based on the DSA. The easy one we can crack it, and if you know basic language language knowledge, we can crack that easy one. For medium and hard ones, we need to know DSA and about the strings also. Okay. That's it for coding one. Yeah. We need to know everything basic. That's it.
Sure. So this is the situation 1 day before or 2 day before the examination. So let us assume that top five topics. Okay, so tomorrow is my exam. I need to focus on some specific topics. So what you would refer, Ravi? Top 5 you mentioned DSA, strings and all. In the same way, which are the top 5 topics we need to mention? We need to prepare before going to the interview, like SQL, SDLC, you mentioned, right? So just mention top 10 topics. It can be APT, DSA topics, or SDLC, any 10 main topics. Yeah.
Okay. In aptitude, I didn't remember these questions, what I get, but I can suggest you like build your skills in aptitude, like practice more questions. By practicing more questions only, we can know across that, like pattern questions, and maybe in aptitude, pattern questions are very common. They will be asking in every interview.
Okay. Any such kind of questions? Car is coming at 200 km per second. If a guy hits that question.
No. I didn't remember that type of questions.
Okay, but APT, our audience will get the idea. We need to focus on the APT part and have knowledge about the DSA and the SDLC and what else? SQL, as you mentioned.
SQL.
And yeah, coming to the system design, Ravi, any talk on that system design topics?
Yeah, I remember. What I remember is they are also asking some system designing questions also. I didn't remember exactly what they asked and what topics, and they please focus on compiler designing. Like we'll be having CD topic.
Okay.
Yeah, CD subject in our colleges. So please focus on that also. And
CD, just inlet a CD in computing design. What was that?
Yeah, computing design.
Computing design. All right. Computing design and SDLC, we can focus on that. And coming to this academic project, that is the main thing. Yeah. Academic project, how we can prepare academic in the sense in the final year we do that. That one we can prepare. Yeah.
Yeah. As of our like when we are attending this interview or else an exam, we'll be having a mini project. We will be doing a mini project. Okay. We need to explain A to Z of that mini project. They will be asking some questions like scenario based questions, like if any errors or any difficulty that we are facing, they will be asking, and if we are facing, then what we have done for solving that errors, or that kind of errors. And also they will be having some doubts also on our project.
Troubleshooting.
Yeah. That kind of they will be asking what precautions do you take, like they will be asking in the sense of SDLC also.
Okay.
Whenever one project is going on, if you face any error, what next steps we will be doing. That kind of questions they will be asking in interviews.
All right.
Go
ahead.
For project perspective, they will be asking A to Z. Okay, they need data from you, A to Z information from you about the project.
So you are speaking about this academic project, correct?
Yeah.
So what else we can add, Ravi, which could be helpful to audience? What else we can add?
Yeah, I can add interview preparation, because I am mainly focused on interview preparation. And also we can add there will be 2 rounds, as I mentioned previously. First round will be this coding questions and questions from all the topics. Second round, when I am attending in second round, it's named as a SHL assessment.
Okay.
When I am attending this assessment, there is only verbal questions, like comprehensive, like some questions based on the pie chart or on histogram. They will be giving this pie chart, and they will be asking some questions on pie chart and histogram, or in a comprehensive thing. But previous year they have I got information like they are shifted this aptitude to second assessment. Okay, in SHL assessment they will be having this aptitude and verbal, it seems. Okay, in verbal there will be 30 questions, and aptitude also there will be 30 questions. 19 minutes each one. Okay. This is the second round. And for interview, I can suggest like go through this DSA. Actually, this interview part will be vary from person to person. In Amadeus, there are so many domains, like persons they are working in so many domains like Java, Python, C++, and some are Angular, this kind of things. Yeah. If the questions based on the technical questions based on the person, which domain he is working and everything. Okay, please go through this logic ones. That's it. Logic is main here. Okay. If you have strong knowledge on the logic, then you can easily tell them. That's the main thing. And please focus on DSA. In DSA they will ask like space complexity and time complexity. Yeah, you will be you need knowledge, like if they give any algorithm to you, you need to tell that time complexity or space complexity for that. You need to know up to that. You need to be at that advanced for that space complexity and the time complexity. This DSA will be common for everyone. These DSA questions will be asked by every interview.
So sorry to interrupt you. So as you mentioned, basic in the sense, what it refers, you should have a capability to give this time complexity kind of thing. That level is the basic level, correct?
For any algorithm that you are giving some answers for any algorithm, they will be asking some questions. For that, you tell the logic for that scenario or else for that question. You need to know. You can able to, you need to have capacity that you can able to tell the time complexity and space complexity of that solution, whatever you can. Yeah.
So this is all about the preparation thing and all. Is there any group discussion kind of thing, Ravi?
No. There's no any group discussion.
Okay. So yeah, guys, this is all about the prerequisite. This is kind of what you say, roadmap for your pre-preparation for your final examination. And if possible, work on your communication. Talk slowly. Just it not necessary to be fluent in the English, but in understandable manner. That much is fine. And Ravi, anything else before we end the call, Ravi?
Yeah, I have covered up everything. Actually,
All right, guys. If we get any updates or any inputs, definitely we're gonna do part 2 of this video. So for as of now, I guess this inputs should help you. And best of luck with your examination. Do well, crack it. And if you have any kind of queries, please let me know. Just DM me on Insta. I'll be sharing Ravi's LinkedIn profile in the description. Just go and connect with him. And yeah, Ravi, really appreciate, man, for taking time and joining us today.
Yeah,
Anyway,
thank
we
you.
can. Yeah, thanks a lot, Ravi. And yeah, guys, if you want to know companies inside, you can refer our YouTube channel. So that one thing I can mention. And if you're not a subscribe, just hit the bell icon and subscribe. And yeah, guys, this is about the stocks in the next video. Take care.